My favorite moment is probably the last aria that both characters sing together, and they finally fall in love, and it's a very celebratory, happy, joyful aria, and everyone's playing, and it feels like a party. I'm excited to bring this program to Seattle because all of the people who will be on stage are coming from very different parts of the world, and it's very exciting that we're traveling just to perform this piece of music. And I think we also are putting a very unique spin onto this music that even if you're very familiar with Handel and you're familiar with his cantata, you'll never see it performed this way.